In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top right corner. If you don't have it, don't worry, just click on this button at the top left corner as well and tap on Clipboard here. Then use this switcher, if it's not already on, to make it appear at the top of your keyboard. Now, to add anything to Clipboard, you need to copy it. And paste it instantly by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. Or paste it later on by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it here. You can also tap Add a new clip, type in whatever you want to and add it to your clipboard by hitting Save. Then paste it the same way. Now to pin anything you wish, tap on this pin next to a chosen sentence or a word, and if it's blue, that means that it was successfully pinned. It won't disappear. If you won't do it though, so you will unpin it, making the pin white, it will disappear after an hour. To delete anything from Clipboard, use this pin next to chosen word or sentence and hit delete. To go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!